I easily copy all the jungle colors. I show my true form only when hunting. You fooled me into taking this path. This easy path gets you there quickly. You climb straight up holding this branch. There is a dark cave at the end. I can see your trap in that cave. You caught my trap from far away! The easy path always brings hidden danger. You must always use your own intelligence. We are new here. Where do you sleep? I sleep by the big river daily. Will you go there with me today? We will go there and hear your story. But you never went to the river! I fooled you by telling a lie.
Curious people usually want to harm you. Always hide your personal information from everyone.
My leg is stuck under the stone. I am coming to help your condition. How will I reach you to help? You come in front of my face. Why did you suddenly stop halfway there? I can clearly see your hidden sharp claws.
Deceivers set traps by acting completely helpless. Always observe the situation before you help.
Your red color looks very beautiful today. I blend my color with the environment. Are you telling me to stay in red? Everyone will think you are the king. Why did you suddenly turn completely green? If the eagle sees red, it attacks.
False praise always makes a person weak. You must stay simple, avoiding dangerous pride.
Everyone is fleeing to the mountain. Come fast. I observe my surroundings before I run. Which way is everyone actually running towards? Everyone is running away towards that huge mountain. You tried to trap me with a lie. You caught my perfect acting so easily! I will never deceive anyone else again. I always keep deceivers far away from me.
You must use intelligence instead of emotion. Like the video and learn something new.
I avoided all dangers using my intelligence. Your extraordinary intelligence made you the best.
Right knowledge makes a human truly powerful. Take new lessons from Phycology Arena today.